I think there are many advantages. I mean, as a college, we're preparing people to go on to work or to university, and I think if you are able to speak more than one language, in this case Welsh, it gives you major advantages, and especially in terms of work, because it means that there are more openings in the economy for you if you are bilingual. And I also think that in terms of if you are fluent in another language or semi-fluent in another language, it usually means that you've got other skill attributes, because learning a language and developing a language also brings along with it other intellectual benefits. But it's also got social benefits, and I think it's pleasing within the college to hear more Welsh being spoken. And I think what that does, it encourages other people to think that it's okay and legitimate to do that, because a very real issue that we have to deal with, and I think it's also true in Mid Wales and parts of North Wales as well, is that for many of our students, Welsh is the language of education, and English is the language of social situations. And what we need to do is to change that, and for people to be aware that either English or Welsh can be interchanged. But until I think that Welsh is more visible in every aspect, I think that Wales as a country is going to continue to struggle with that.